How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the Snapchat support code SS06, make sure you have a better Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can switch on your cellular data or enable the airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then you can turn it back off and turn on your Wi-Fi connection. After that, you need to make sure if there is any of the bug or the glitch issue that needs to be cleared up. For that, you can press and hold onto your Snapchat, head to App Info. Then start off by force stopping your application, head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache if there is any cache built up. After that, you can press on the Open button right over here. However, if your Snapchat application is not up to date, there might also be the reason why you are facing such issue. To solve it, tap Open your Play Store or App Store. Then you need to search for the Snapchat application. Then right over here, make sure to update your app if you have not yet. By following this step, you can easily fix the support code SS06. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so